Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: Calaveras, San Joaquin, Stanislaus, and Tuolumne. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Tuolumne County in Northern California, East Central San Joaquin County in Central California, Northern Stanislaus County in Central California, Southwestern Calaveras County in Northern California, until 2:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 1:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Milton, or 12 miles southwest of San Andreas, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: the public has reported quarter-size hail in Stockton. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Sonora, San Andreas, Carson Hill, Tuttletown, Vallecito, Copperco Village, Springfield, Telegraph City, Angel City, Milton, Avery, Ponson, Forest Meadows, Copperpolis, Mountain Ranch, Rancho Calaveras, Angels Camp, Tuolumne City, Murphys, and Phoenix Lake Cedar. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has
change over time.